Dense fog advisory for the following county: Polk, Florida. Dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. What? Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? Portions of southwest and west central Florida. When? Until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. Impacts: low visibility could make driving conditions hazardous. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. 10 seconds after midnight. Special weather statement. Patchy dense fog across portions of the interior and Volusia coast early this morning. Roadway reports and surface observations indicate patchy dense fog is occurring across portions of Volusia, Lake, Seminole, Orange, Osceola, and Okeechobee counties. If you encounter dense fog, slow down, increase your following distance, and do not use high-beam headlights. The fog will burn off through mid-morning.